Unfortunately, many people suffer from a pain in their hips, or what would be considered a pain in the butt, along with maybe numbness or tingling that goes down their legs from irritation of the sciatic nerve. This can come from pressure from a small muscle in your glutes known as the piriformis. So let's use the foam roller today to use a simple technique to address that. So to perform this technique, you'll be sitting right on the foam roller itself, and to address the side of pain and discomfort, you'll place your arm gently back behind you and then lean over so that you're putting all the pressure on that one side of your glutes. And to perform the technique, you'll roll gently down and back from about the pocket level to the belt line to get into the muscles of the glute themselves. This alone will relieve pressure off the glutes, the hips, and many times help relieve pain in this area overall. Now to get to the piriformis muscle, what you'll do is take the same leg and cross at the knee, stretching and revealing that muscle. And as you roll down and forth, you may actually feel an increase in discomfort or pain. It may be one of those hurt so good feelings or sensations. This is getting pressure and releasing that piriformis, which can put pressure on your sciatic nerve. You want to do this technique on both sides 15 to 20 times to create balance up to your comfort level. And you can do this several times a day. If you found this technique useful, or you're someone that suffers from this type of condition or pain on a regular basis, and you'd like to learn more tips, tricks, or even ways on how to correct the cause of the problem, leave a yes in the comments below. And once again, I'm Dr. Adam Eade. I hope you have a great day. Be well, and I'll see you soon.